welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some summer lipstick looks for women of color. So if you are looking for a go-to lipstick color or go-to lipstick colors to rock this coming summer, stay tuned and I will show you my favorite lipstick collections. So the first lipstick that I have on is by ColourPop and it's called Who Run This. It is a matte lipstick and it has such a very smooth consistency. It doesn't dry out your lips like some matte lipsticks do. So I like that it has that, underlining creamy but not too shimmery consistency. It does give you that dry matte finished look, but then your lips stay moisturized during the application period. So that is the first lip color, and this is by ColourPop. It is one of the lippy sticks that ColourPop has. The next lipstick that I'm going to put on is called Love Life and it is by ColourPop as well. It is also a lippy stick and it is matte. Right, so this is Love Life and it is a red lipstick. I really do love this ColourPop lipsticks because they don't dry your lips out. They don't even feel like you have a matte lipstick on, but you do get that matte finished look. You know what I mean? Like it's just so smooth on your lips. I just love how it feels on my lips. They don't feel dry, they don't feel like they're cracking. Amazing. Like this lipstick is a go-to red lipstick for the summer just because it's not too vibrant, it's not too loud and flashy. It's just the perfect muted red you can wear in the summertime. So this is Love Life. So the next lipstick that I'm going to put on is by Anastasia Beverly Hills and this is called Rum Punch and it is a matte lipstick as well. I know a lot of matte lipsticks, but hey, why not? And this one is definitely a little bit more on the drier side compared to the ColourPop lippy sticks that I was showing you. This is the perfect color. I honestly feel like plum lipsticks are the perfect shade to wear if you're a nude person but kind of want to add a little bit of color to your lipstick lifestyle. I feel like plums are just the best shades to kind of lean towards. This shade is just, I don't know, it's just a perfect blend of sophisticated, neutral, but then let me just add some color. I don't know, I totally love it. And like I said, when I was applying it, of course it's a matte lipstick, it's a little bit on the drier side, but once it sits on, your lips don't feel dry. It's just, they just have like that subtle moisture to them. So the next lip color that I'm going to apply is called Rouge, and this is by Anastasia Beverly Hills as well, and it is a matte lipstick as well. And this is a nude lip color, so a nude brown. So the next lip color I'm going to show you is by Stila Cosmetics and it's a lip stain called Pitstop and it's also a plum shade. It has a nice gloss and shimmer to it, as you guys can see. This is Pitstop. I just love how glossy it is. if you're the kind of person that loves to put on lip gloss, I feel like this is the perfect shade whereby you get that color and also you get that gloss. So it's kind of like a two-in-one. So it's perfect for summer. Lastly, I am going to apply a liquid lipstick, and this is by Morphe. This is a nude lipstick called Free Bird, and it's a very bright color for my complexion. So what I like to do is apply brown concealer. So I usually use the concealer that I use to contour, and this is a Fenty Beauty matte stick in the shade Espresso. So I usually apply that as a base. So once I have it on as a base, then I go ahead and I apply the liquid lipstick. And that is Free Bird. Alright folks, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below which one was your favorite lip color. I am going to link all the lipsticks down below so you guys can check them out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.